நமது நாட்டின் எதிர்காலம் இன்றைய இளைஞர்கள் கைகளில். இளைஞர்கள் முன்னேற்றம் நமது நாட்டின் முன்னேற்றம். இளைஞர்களின் வழிகாட்டி, ஆன்மீகத்தின் அதிபதி சுவாமி விவேகானந்தர் பிறந்த தினம். இதுவே தேசிய இளைஞர்கள் தினம். 100 இளைஞர்களை தாருங்கள், இந்த நாட்டையே மாற்றி காட்டுகிறேன் என்று முழக்கமிட்ட முதன்மையாளர் மற்றும் துணைந்த முனிவர், நம்பிக்கையின் ஒளி ஸ்ரீ ராமகிருஷ்ணரின் சீடர், சிகாகோவில் உலக சமயங்கள் பற்றி சொற்பொழிவாற்றிய பேராளர், மனித வாழ்க்கையையும் சாவையும், நன்மையையும் தீமையும், அறிவையும் அறியாமையையும் ஒன்றாக பார்க்கும் இளந்துறவி, இளைஞர்களை எழுச்சியடைய செய்த இலட்சியவாதி விவேகானந்தர். வாழ்க விவேகானந்தர் புகழ், வளர்க இளைஞர்கள் சமுதாயம். இந்த அத்தானி மண்டபம் போன்ற இணையவழி கூடுகையை அலங்கரிக்க வந்திருக்கும் சிங்கார கூடலின் செல்வர்கள் அனைவரையும் கற்கண்டு சொற்கொண்டு கன்னித்தமிழ் கொண்டு வரவேற்பு கம்பளம் விரிக்க வருகிறார் எம் கல்லூரியின் மாணவி செல்வி பாரதி ரோஜா அவர்கள்.
Very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to welcome you all for the National Youth Day celebration. First and foremost, I welcome Dr. K.S. Rangasamy, Founder Chairman, KSR Educational Institution. I welcome Amuda Asithambi, Director of KSR Educational Institution. I also welcome Sri R. Srinivasan, Vice Chairman, KSR Educational Institution, in their absentia. Stars shine at night. Some stars shine at bright daylight. It's our pleasure to welcome one such star, Dr. Suresh Sundaram Associate Professor of Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development, the Honorable Chief Guest of today's function. We welcome you, sir. The essence of great leadership is influence and not authority. With this note, I would like to welcome the respected Principal, Dr. P. Suresh Prabhu, KSR College of Education, to this function. We celebrate your leadership and your upon influencing us. We welcome you, sir. Here, who puts their soul and heart in uplifting others attains dignity. Yes, I welcome all the faculty members of KSR College of Education. Last but not least, I sincerely welcome all my student teachers. Once again, I welcome everyone to the National Youth Day celebration. Thank you.
வரவேற்பு உரை வழங்கிய செல்வி பாரதி ரோஜா அவர்களுக்கு எங்கள் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
மன்னனும் மாசற கற்றோனும் சீர்தூக்கின் மன்னனின் கற்றோர் சிறப்புடையோன். ஆம், கற்றோருக்கு செல்லும் இடமெல்லாம் சிறப்பு. நம் சிறப்பு விருந்தினரை பற்றி சிறு அறிமுகம் வழங்க எம் KSR கல்வியியல் கல்லூரியின் மாணவி செல்வி தீக்ஷிதா அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Good afternoon to one and all gathered here. I'm here to address the profile of our chief guest, Dr. Suresh Sundaram Sir, Associate Professor. Profile. He did his MSc from University of Madras, MPhil and PhD from Annamalai University. He also published more than 25 articles in peer-reviewed journals and presented more than 50 papers in national and international conferences. His areas of interest are child and adolescent psychology, counseling, and organizational psychology. He also delivered many invited lectures and radio speeches, organized conferences, workshops, and training programs. He was the principal investigator of 6 major research projects, including India-European Research Networking Program, India-Australia Anti-Bullying Research Collaboration, India-Japan Joint Research Program, awardee of Emerging Psychologist Program, and attended the ICP 2012, Cape Town, South Africa. He delivered a keynote speech in 2013 at CRN program, Edith Cowan University, Perth, Western Australia, and recipient of Cal Cattrall Award 2014, and attended the ISPA conference at Kaunas, Lithuania. It's my pleasure to have you here with us for this occasion, sir. Thank you.
நன்றியுரை வழங்கிய செல்வி தீக்ஷிதா அவர்களுக்கு எங்கள் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம்.
ஆற்று பெருங்கற்று அடிசுடும் அன்னாலும் அவ்வாறு ஊற்று பெருங்கால் உலகூட்டும். தான் வற்றினும் ஊற்று நீரை உலகுக்கு அளிக்கும் ஆற்றைப் போல திகழும் நமது சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் டாக்டர் சுரேஷ் சுந்தரம், அசோசியேட் ப்ரொஃபசர், ராஜீவ் காந்தி நேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் யூத் டெவலப்மெண்ட், மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் யூத் அஃபேர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ், கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா, ஸ்ரீபெரும்புத்தூர், தமிழ்நாடு அவர்களை பாசிட்டிவ் யூத் டெவலப்மெண்ட் என்னும் தலைப்பில் சிறப்புரை வழங்க அழைக்கிறோம்.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Thank you. So after a long time, I'm listening to very nice Tamil speech, the welcome speech. Teen vandu paayindadu kaadinile. I really like that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So happy National Youth Day. So India celebrates National Youth Day, and I'm very happy to see the young minds of the nation, young people, particularly the pre-service teachers, the teachers of tomorrow. I'm very happy to address those young people because you are going to shape the future young people tomorrow. First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to the management, the principal, the faculties, IQAC team, the organizing secretaries of this program of KSR College of Education. Thank you very much. Before I go into my topic, I want to share a few things about my institute and my research areas. My institute, the Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development, RGNIYD, is an institute of national importance which is located on a lush green swampland campus of 42 acres at Sriperumbudur, Tamil Nadu. RGNIYD functions as a vital resource center and a think tank of the ministry, youth ministry, and we organize many youth-related activities of the country. RGNIYD serves as a youth observatory, depository of youth-related issues of the nation, and we do multifaceted functions. Also, we have many post-graduation programs like social sciences. Recently, we introduced science programs. Social sciences are like psychology, social work, political science. Those are our PG programs, and we conduct research programs. There are many ongoing research related to youth development. I invite you people, if possible in future, you can visit our institute so you can get the idea about youth development in Indian context. And RGNIYD contributes many aspects for the youth ministry, particularly the national youth policy. The current policy, what existing in active mode. Our institute played major role in developing those policies. Now we are working, the youth ministry is working on the youth policy for the next 10 years. That is national youth policy. It's supposed to be released in 2021. In that also RGNIYD is doing tremendous work. We have conducted many feedback meetings. That responsibility was given to the institute. Many meetings with the stakeholders on the components of the new youth policy that's supposed to be active for the next 10 years. So the institute doing those kind of youth related activities. Coming to my research, since I'm talking to education people, B.Ed, M.Ed, I'm very closely related with those education people because I have done many research related to school students. Particularly my research on school bullying and cyberbullying. It is for more than a decade. I'm doing research on school bullying and cyberbullying. For that purpose, I have visited the schools. I have met the school students, the teachers, parents throughout Tamil Nadu. And not only India-based research, there are many international research I'm doing. Particularly this pre-teacher service communities, like tomorrow's teachers. We have done many research. As you mentioned in my profile, there is a India-European research project in which it is a 3-year project where we have a collaboration with 4 European countries as well as another Indian institute that is from Punjab. So we have done great work on school bullying and cyber bullying, something very specific to pre-service teachers. So these are those publications with Australian colleagues, and we have published many articles as well as books. So this is a book we brought out because of those projects. This one particularly India-European project. It is about bullying, cyberbullying, and student well-being in schools, European, Australian, and Indian perspective. I am also one of the editor of this book. This is from Cambridge University Press. Further, we have did some contribution. One particular contribution I can say, we have prepared a pamphlet that is about school bullying, which contains many aspects, like what is bullying, what are the different types of bullying, how the students can handle, what the teachers can do, what the schools can do, what the parents can do. All those things are kept in a single booklet, and this booklet was given to Tamil Nadu Government School Education Department, and the School Education Directorate forwarded this pamphlet to all the schools, like all the chief education officers. It was distributed. In turn, they have distributed to all the schools of Tamil Nadu, not only in Tamil Nadu, in Pondicherry also. Because this is in Tamil, we have prepared extensively. This is almost like 10,000 copies we have made. The same was distributed to the schools by our research project. It happened a few years back. So that is about school bullying and cyber bullying. So I hope you are aware, definitely as a student of education, as a future teacher, definitely you should have good knowledge about school bullying and cyber bullying. Anyway, that is not our concern now. Maybe in future, if some possibility, if I meet you again, we will have a session on school bullying and cyber bullying. It is very much essential for student teachers. Okay, coming to today's topic, today's issue, the National Youth Day. It is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. So Swami Vivekananda is one of the greatest leader and believer of youth power in India. He is the youth icon of the nation. We know that he had a strong faith towards the youth, particularly the modern youth. He believed that they will work out the whole problem like a lions, as mentioned in the welcome note by my friend. Like he said, give me 100 youth, I will transform the country. So it is almost like behavioristic perspective. You aware the concept of behaviorism. Like they believe in action, they believe in behavior, they believe in environment. So such a person, Swami Vivekananda, so he gave an inspiring talk. People become stunned. Chicago talk you are mentioning in the welcome note. Such a youth icon is identified as based on that only we follow the National Youth Day in India. Our institute, we celebrate in a great manner. Not only National Youth Day, International Youth Day, August 12th also we celebrate in a great manner. So in 1984, Government of India declared this day as a National Youth Day. Since that, in India celebrate. So Government of India quoted that the philosophy of Swamiji and the ideals for which he lived, worked, could be the great source of inspiration for the Indian youth. So we are observing those ideals to follow the footpath of Swamiji. So coming to youth, what is youth? Who are youth? There is no universally agreed international definition for youth age group. So United Nations says it is 15 to 24 years. National Youth Policy, means Government of India, National Youth Policy says 15 to 29 years. Tamil Nadu government has released recently a youth policy which says 15 to 35 years as a youth. But it varies. It is not an issue. There is no single definition we said. The operational definition, the term youth vary from country to country depending on the relative, socio-cultural, institutional, economic, political, various factors are there. So why, slight changes are there in this youth age group, but almost similar. Yes. Okay. So kindly mute somebody else. Okay, youth is a distinct transitional phase of human development. As a pre-service teacher, you learn human development, child development, developmental psychology, we say, our lifespan psychology. That is the core, very much essential for a pre-service teacher. Dear students, MS students, I would say, because you are going to deal with those youth, those childrens. When we understand their developmental nature, then we really handle in a better way, best way. Because in front of you, there may be kids sitting in a classroom, for example, 50 to 60, 40, whatever the numbers. Not all are same. Like you should aware, we should understand they are different. Not all are same. There is an individual difference. If a teacher really understand, all my students are not same, they are different, I should not have the same yardstick to assess those children's. So I should understand how a 5-year-old child is different from 10-year-old child, how they are different from 15-year-old person, how they are different from 20-year-old person. So all this, you study, you learn from human development, developmental psychology, we say. There is a simple developmental psychology or human development in a film song. There is a song. Even anybody has problem in understanding, means listening to my English lecture, maybe I can shift into bilingual also, dual also. I can go with Tamil also, but